Hello everyone, my name is Eddie Goyanes and I'm with the Alienware product marketing team. Today we're really happy to share with you guys the new M15 notebook. This is our thinnest, our smallest, and our most powerful 15-inch notebook ever. As you can see, it takes on the legend industrial design that we launched back at CES. The entire chassis is made out of a magnesium alloy material that enables us to be lighter, to be thinner as well. So you'll notice we have a maximum Z height of 20.5 millimeters, and we even kept the Ethernet port there as well. As you look inside, you'll notice the keyboard has changed. We now have a brand new keyboard with larger keys, up to 1.7 millimeters of key travel, and a glass touchpad as well. So the minute you put your hands on this notebook, you're gonna feel a quality that is much, much better over the previous generation. As I go up on the system, you'll notice this hexagonal pattern. This is an air intake for the cooling inside the machine. And as I get onto the hinge, you'll notice we've introduced Tobii eye tracking to this M15 notebook. In fact, this is the world's first 15-inch notebook with Tobii eye tracking. These bezels are the narrowest ones we've had in any notebook in Alienware's history. And the panel you see here, this is an OLED 4K panel. It uses a DCI P3 color gamut, which shows you these beautiful range of true blacks and an incredible range of red, green, and blue as well. So everything from the front all the way to the top of this machine is totally brand new. But what's absolutely incredible is the fact that you see the bottom, this is also an air intake. So the top and the bottom where the hexagons are is where the air goes into the machine. And on the sides and the rear is the exhaust of the system. We've kept our graphics amplifier port, and we have Thunderbolt 3, a mini display port, and HDMI as well. So lots of different options in our thinnest, most powerful, and smallest 15-inch notebook in our entire history. To achieve this level of performance while maintaining the physical requirements, we had to re-engineer our thermal module. So we've introduced larger size CPU fan diameters and larger size GPU fan diameters. We have 10% more airflow on these new systems than on the previous generation, and the air is traveling to the core components in a more direct fashion. The M15, for example, even has more fan blades. So we have thinner, wider fan blades that are quiet but are moving more air through the entire chassis. And we have copper alloy and zinc alloy tubes that are connecting all the core components, keeping everything within safe temperatures. We also have a new Alienware M17 notebook. This is our thinnest, smallest 17-inch notebook in history. Just like the M15, it takes on all the same industrial design concepts that I just explained. One of the key differences is a larger touchpad and an alphanumeric keypad as well. Some of the specs on both of the systems, we're featuring 9th generation Core i processors all the way to an i9 HK processor. We're also offering graphics cards from NVIDIA GeForce GTX all the way to RTX 2080 Max-Q design GPUs. Our hard drives are solid-state drives only, using M.2 PCIe drives. And what really brings on the innovation is from an engineering side, we're incorporating 8-phase voltage regulation on the graphics side and 6-phase processor voltage regulation, allowing you to raise your performance really, really high for a sustained amount of time. And that's what's gonna make these new notebooks extremely powerful despite their compact size. These notebooks are for customers, gamers, that want incredible portability without sacrificing performance or design. And you can find them on Alienware.com beginning June 11th. Thank you.